pages for your products and services. Okay, to design a landing page or a website, most of the time you need to have some coding knowledge or knowledge of design. Okay, and it's very tough to actually get that started within a very short period of time, and eventually you will need to sometimes hire somebody, pay huge amounts of money just to get a landing page set up. And the least you will even pay for any landing page, the least you can pay starts from 15,000. okay, and for every landing page, would you want to be paying someone? I don't think so. So in this class I want to show you how you can create high quality landing pages. Okay, now if you look at my screen, you will see that this is my website. Okay, I have this hosted on my own domain, on my own hosting as well. All right, so this is a website, but you can also call it a landing page in the sense that it introduces me and then it introduces my services straight. Okay, so that is just what a landing page is. It just goes straight to the point. It talks about your product or your service. Okay, so that is just what a landing page is all about. So this is just an example of what a landing page looks like. Okay, and for this my website, I spend about, let me say, in the minimum I spend about 50,000 per year to get it up and running. Okay, now I'm sure for now you may not want to really be spending that much to get a website online, but for me it's actually important. So that's just my side of the story, but I'll be showing you how you can get a landing page for yourself for free actually, so you don't have to pay any bills to actually keep your landing page up and running. Okay, so I'll be introducing you to WordPress. Okay, WordPress.com. So with WordPress you can easily create a landing page for your product. Okay, so we are going to create a landing page for that shoe product we made that time. Okay, so we're just going to create a very simple landing page for it with WordPress. So the first thing you need to do is to visit the WordPress website, WordPress.com. Okay, so WordPress is a simple solution that helps you to build websites on the go from anywhere, either on your mobile phone or your computer. WordPress is a solution that helps you build websites on the go. So the first thing you need to do is you need to visit WordPress.com. Now you need to sign in, or you need to register an account with WordPress. So just come over to the top here, click on Get Started. Okay, so from here you need to create your account. Okay, so use your email. I have several WordPress accounts, so this might be a little bit of a challenge to get an email for me. Okay, let me see. Thinking of an email to use. 234 that's gmail.com. Okay, so my username, I'm just going to call it value local. Then I'll choose a password for this account. So once that is done, just click on create your account. Make sure your email is a working email. All right, so once you put in all the fields, click on create your account. Okay, so now it's asking us if we want to the domain we want to use for our website. This is going to be online, so you need a domain that people will visit, like www.mywebsitename.com. But in the case of WordPress, since it's a free website, we're going to be using something like www.mywebsite.wordpress.com. so it's just going to look something like this. All right, so what we need to do now is to choose our domain. So let's just use what we use for our username. So I'm just going to say value local. All right, so WordPress will generate some suggestions for us. So if you scroll down to the bottom, you can see this says valuelocal.com registration is free, but of course they are going to charge us for hosting. All right, no, go back. Okay, so they are going to charge us for hosting, of course. So what we need to do now, for a free hosting and free domain, you come here, you will see valuelocal.wordpress.com. all right, so that is what we are going to choose. All right, so just click on select. So you can actually use your own name, or you are not using Value Local. Please, if you choose Value Local, you will get a message that, well, this domain has been taken because I've already used it. So just click on select after specifying the domain name you want to use for your landing page or website. Okay, so now they want you to pick a plan, but just scroll down to the bottom. You should see a free plan somewhere. Okay, so they say not sure yet, start with a free site. So let's just click free. So that will take a while, but it's creating your website in the background. All right, so you just have to wait for about some seconds, and then boom, you have a website created. Okay, so now this is your dashboard area. All right, this is the dashboard area of your landing page or website. Okay, so the next thing you need to do, let us visit the domain and see if it's actually going to open. So the domain I created was valuelocal.wordpress.com. so I'll just click on enter. So you can see that the website is actually available. It's opening, you see. So this is just what it looks like, you can see. So you see that, and you can see that without hassle I've created a website in just 2 minutes or less. So you can see, so that is just what it looks like. All right, so let's go back. Let's create a page. We're going to call it, we'll just come over to tools. Okay, site. Yeah, come to pages. Okay, so they created 4 pages for us: a blog page, contact page, about page, home page. We just want to make the home page the landing page. We just want to create a very simple landing page that will just put the show at the top, the offer, 50% offer, then maybe a button for them to order. So maybe the button can lead to your WhatsApp number, for example. All right, so let's just click on this and then click on edit. So here we can make edits to the websites. Okay, just by clicking on what we want to edit and changing it. So it's just like you are using Microsoft Word. You can see when I click, it moves. When I click this, so it's just like I'm using Microsoft Word. If you know Microsoft Word, so there's nothing really. So you see I can edit anything here. So we just want to create a very simple landing page. So we are going to remove some things. So on your own, you have to sit down and know what you are adding, what you are removing, get used to it. So we are going to remove some things. So I'm just going to remove this. I will say remove block. So that has gone. Then I will come to this, and I want to remove this. So I'll come to this and say remove block. I'll come here and say remove block. So I've removed, and I'm going to remove this as well. So now we just have this. Okay, so this is just what I need. This is what I want to use for this landing page. I just want only this there. So next thing I'm going to do, I want to edit this background image. Okay, so all we need to do is to come here, just click somewhere outside, so you should be able to identify. So when you come to this side there, you will see the background showing up here. So now what we want to do is to change this background. So I'm just going to click on clear media here, so that will take it away. Okay, so now it says upload an image or a video file, or pick one from your media library. So I'm going to upload a file, so I'm just going to click on upload. then the shoe I created, let me just put this there. I have another image, so I'll just put that there, and that will take a while to actually upload. So you see that looks very brilliant. So once I'm done, just click I'll just click on update here at the top. Okay, so if you follow this step by step, you'll be able to create a very simple landing page. So let me look at what my page looks like here. Refresh. So you see, I just created a very simple landing page for free without a kobo. Okay, so you can see all I just need to change now is change this, change all of this, change the content at the top here and all that. So let's continue. So let me say, let me just type something here, and I'll say these kicks are selling at 50% off for today only. Okay, so here I'll just highlight everything and type something else and say okay, I want to tell them what to do now. So I'll just say click the button below to order now. Simple, just something very simple. You can do more with it, but I'm just giving you an illustration. Now the button is what they'll click. So where does this button lead to? So we need to edit where this button will actually lead to. Okay, so we're going to change the link of this button. So just come here, this thing, you see, this is what a link looks like. This thing that looks like a chain, that's how to edit links on WordPress. So just click on that, and then you will see the link this actually leads to. It leads to learn.wordpress.com. so that is not the link we are using. So we are going to edit this. Okay, so we want it to lead to my WhatsApp, for example, right? So when people click, I want them to get to my WhatsApp. So I'm just going to click on edit. So you see, and all I just need to do is enter a link that will take them to my WhatsApp. I'm very sure you are familiar with the WhatsApp link that people use a lot. When you click on it, it will take people to your WhatsApp. So you should even know it offhand. I know it offhand. So I'm just going to type in the link, https wa.me/ then my phone number with the international code 2347067862215. So once I'm done, I will just click enter. Okay, so this is going to lead straight to my WhatsApp number when anyone clicks it. So let me also update this, and that is it. So I'll come back here and refresh. So you see, these cakes are selling at 50% off for today only. Click the button below to order now. So you see, I just created a very simple landing page, and when I click this, it should take me straight to my WhatsApp number if there's no error. So you see, if anyone clicks this on their phone, it will open up the WhatsApp application. We are going to see this screen because we are actually on a system. Okay, we're on the desktop and we don't use WhatsApp on the desktop, so that's why you're seeing this. But on the phone, anyone who clicks it is going to have WhatsApp opened up on his phone, and he'll be able to send you a direct message immediately. So that is just how that works. So another thing we need to change is this site title here. So we need to change it. All right, so let's go back. Mind you, if you want to edit all these pages here, all you just need to do is come to site, then pages, then you see the pages here, blog, contact, about. So you can see the pages, and when you want to edit, you just click on the three toggle menus there, then you click on edit. That's all. All right, and you can also add a new page by clicking this button here, add a new page button, and you'll be able to add a new page instantly. All right, so we want to change this. Okay, it's not looking too cool, so we want to change it to the name of the website. So I'll just come here, we'll come to manage, then I should come to settings. I should be able to find that there. So you see, manage then settings. So now you can see I can set my site icon here. So let me change that to that of a shoe. The site icon, this thing where you see this W, so I want to change it to something I want. All right, so it's taking me to the website customizer. I can basically do almost everything here as well. So I'll come here to site identity, then I'll click on this site title. So let me change this first, and I will say value local. All right, then the tagline is more like, you know, your business motto and all of that, maybe outstanding service. So I'm just going to put that one there. Then the site icon, so let me just change that. So I'll come here and say select site icon. And media library, I've updated the shoe before there, so I'll just select it like that. Then I'll crop, or you know, it's already cropped, so I just click on crop image. So that will update in a few seconds. So once I'm done, so you can see the tagline I put has already showed up here. So you can also see a live preview of what your website looks like here, so you can see it. So this has updated, and you can see that the tagline has also updated here, so you can see outstanding service. All right, so all you just need to do is save changes. Click on save changes, and that's just all. So now let's go back to refresh our website. So go back to the home page and click on refresh, or click on F5 on your keyboard. So you see value local outstanding service, value local outstanding service. Can you see how easy it was for me to just create a website? So you see, just, it's not a website but a landing page actually, to lead people somewhere. So you see, very easy and for free. I did not spend a dime to do this, and you won't spend a dime either. So you can see I've just created, you know, a landing page, and when people click, it takes them straight to my WhatsApp number. So this is just one of the little things every online business needs to actually thrive. You know, a landing page that describes your service. You can do more with this. If you have more description for your product, you can just keep adding them to this page, and then, you know, put a call to action for them, and they'll be able to, you know, take action, contact you, or buy your product online. So for this class, I will say we have come to a good end. Thank you for participating, and I hope you took something away from this class. Until the next class, I will see you later. Thank you.